What are the methods used by professional carpet cleaners? Hiring professional carpet cleaners is always imperative. Do you know why? Because they have the knowledge of multiple carpet cleaning techniques. Once you hire our professional carpet cleaners in Melbourne, they will adopt various carpet cleaning methods to clean them. And this will help you to stay safe and healthy in this COVID-19 pandemic. What are the methods that our cleaners adopt? Hot water extraction cleaning. Also known as carpet steam cleaning, this particular method of carpet cleaning involves the use of high pressurized hot water, which agitate carpet fibres, thereby dissolving the dirt in the carpet. It involves the application of eco-friendly cleaning agents on the soiled surface, agitation of the carpet with brush and rinsing. Carpet shampooing. Though we do not use this method much after we started following the encapsulation method, it is highly effective in cleaning heavily soiled carpets, followed by a thorough cleaning. Encapsulation method. In this method, our carpet cleaning professionals in Melbourne would use synthetic detergents for crystallizing them into a powder form upon drying. The loose dirt particles are encapsulated into powder, which is brushed or vacuumed. Bonnet cleaning. This method mainly involves cleaning of the top part of the carpet surface, by using heavy-duty motorized machines that come with spinning pads. Generally, this type of cleaning is with the use of cleaning solutions that absorb the dirt from the surface. So you see, there are so many methods that our carpet cleaning professionals in Melbourne use to keep your home clean and safe. We use government-approved, hospital-grade eco-friendly cleaning agents to ward off any possibility of COVID-19 infestation or other health hazards. We also sanitize our cleaning tools and follow all the norms to ensure we are never the source of any infection while cleaning. Call us at 1-800-960-244. Contact us at info@bestcarpetcleaningmelbourne.com. Visit us at bestcarpetcleaningmelbourne.com. What are the methods used by professional carpet cleaners? Hiring professional carpet cleaners is always imperative.